Yeah. Ooh, Dr. Dreadful.
I saw that. It's interesting.
Hello.
How are you?
Good. Are you still open?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, I just gotta run in and get some breakfast.
Oh yeah. Feel that.
Yeah, breakfast inside the car.
Yeah, we did.
Yeah, what kind of breakfast you guys have?
Bojangles.
Oh, that's the best.
Bojangles.
Oh.
There's some DVDs in it. It's a small world.
Hey, Dad.
What?
There's some glue.
Ooh. I'm just shopping for candy, that's all.
How much is the glue this is?
That's glue, Callie.
How much is the glue is?
I don't know. You don't need glue, though. You have glue at the house.
You need to make slime, I guess.
You're drawn to some strange things sometimes.
You got it, Barbie stuff.
Nice. Yeah. Yeah.
You can do that. You can watch this in our room.
True, you could.
Kind of.
Do you have money? Hello.
Yeah. I do. Anna, are you hoping to buy me Alvin and the Chipmunks? Dad, can you please
Yes,
get
Callie.
this?
Yeah, she said we could take the Mario tape.
Yeah. Any of the craft stuff.
She said you can look through the craft stuff, Callie, see if there's anything you want in there.
If you guys want any of the craft stuff, take it.
I'm okay right now.
It's all going to donation anyhow. So.
I'm okay right now. I'm fine. Look, Dad.
How much is TurboTax?
$1.
I really want Alvin and the Chipmunks.
How about $1 a piece?
Sounds good.
Okay. Look at that, I found something.
Han,
What,
you get
Dad?
$1 a piece for this.
$1 a piece? You have that exact DVD. I don't know why you need another version of a DVD you already have. Anything you like, Anna? Anna loves crafts.
I mean, I kind of do.
I've homeschooled mine for 6 years, and so when they were younger, we did tons of crafts.
Yeah.
But now they're 16 and 18, and
They've moved past it?
crafts are no longer as fun as they used to be.
Hair green.
Yeah.
I didn't either.
It's because you don't have any money.
I do.
You do? How much you got?
$1.
$1. That seems like a good price. Okay. Well, thank you. You ready?
Something else, Dad.
Okay. Have a good one.
Little.
Yeah, that's weird. Very, very pricey.
Oh. Okay, I'm probably gonna get you. I will. What is that sushi?
Morning.
Good morning.
How much you can eat?
It's 2 for $1, so 50 cents. Sorry. Violet, go away from the screen.
How much is this? How much?
What do you give me for?
$5? Sure. Okay.
Not big as my head.
What about the Volkswagen bits?
I don't think this is as big as my head,
I'll
probably.
need $5 for both of those too.
So $10 total?
Yeah.
This is definitely
You got a
not
deal.
as big
Yeah, those
as my head.
that's a deal on those things.
Yeah, it is.
And if you know
Dad,
If you know cars, then
Dad,
yeah,
this is
goodbye.
definitely not my head size.
No,
and
your
if you
head's
have a
bigger than that.
Volkswagen, it's good to have one of those in your trunk.
My
of your
dad
car,
has
too.
one. Yeah, my dad has one.
Thanks, buddy.
Thanks, man.
Yep.
The helmet that you got when
I don't know how many times the wife called me and be like, I don't know what's wrong with my car. It's like
Yeah.
it's like jumping on me.
Yeah. Yeah.
I know what's wrong.
Good to have those.
But that's
Yeah.
the size of my helmet. This has the size of Vanna's helmet.
Oh, it's a princess helmet. That's kind of cool.
It's the size of my helmet.
Yeah, that's neat. Yes, Cal. No, those are her toys. She's playing with them. Oh, here's some clothes and stuff.
I don't think.
slippers. Oh, look, the Gravedigger one. That one's cool.
It smells gross.
Why are you sniffing clothes? She has no filter.
It's been in the garage. I said the same thing.
Oh, wait, Callie, there's some stuff over here.
Not,
Legos.
not happening.
Oh, you got a little grill. BHG.
$10, dude.
Yeah, seen better days.
And they
Weber
don't
Genesis
have
Silver.
$60.
60 needs installed. That's starters.
That's grass.
I don't think that's ready ignition.
In a while.
A beetle. But, you know, is this separate or this comes with the grill? Okay. Because mine's broken on my Weber, that's why I asked. I'm just interested in that part. Yeah.
That little box always rusts
Daddy,
out.
chicken!
Yeah. Oh yeah, look at that, they got chickens. That's cool. No. You can look at them from afar.
Wait, I thought you said, can we go, can we, can we? Daddy, there's one right there!
Where?
Right there, in the bush.
That's his butt. Yeah, that's cool. Look at the chicken.
I thought I said, can we buy one?
No, I don't think the chickens are for sale.
No, I thought I like that. I thought she said, can we buy one? Oh, I like
Chickens sold separately.
those cars look really fun. I wouldn't have one. I don't know what. It's somewhere in the car, definitely. But I just like, it's probably gonna crack and I'm not sticking my hand on it.
What are you charging for your belts?
Not bad. Not
What are you thinking?
You know where my mind goes, $1 a piece.
Fine with me.
$5.
Sitting on a shelf.
Yeah, I get it.
Some of them were for Cub Cadet. Some were for John Deere. So you got a mixed bag there.
3, 4, 5.
All right.
There we
cool,
go,
thanks.
man. Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I already bought those. Oh, they got Thomas the Train birthday stuff. Whistles.
Is that what you want for your birthday tomorrow?
Yeah.
Well, Daddy,
Look, Kelly, birthday hats.
oh,
That's pretty cool. Look,
Mama.
a whistle.
Mama.
And they got a train whistle. Good morning. Pretty good. All types of items, huh?
Yep.
Look at Batman.
Yeah, he's pretty
He's
cool.
cool, yeah.
Don't have much room for him. Batman.
Oh, and Batman. I get some games.
I'm gonna move this thing out.
Dad, look.
Yeah. What? Oh, cool. CD player. What's in there?
CD.
Hmm.
Looks like $10.
And cold?
Holy Bible.
Yeah. Ooh, Dr. Dreadful.
I saw that one. It's interesting. Yeah, baby diaper.
Ooh, grab that.
Whoa.
Callie, don't step on it.
I feel like this is from when I was a kid. Isn't this like super old? That and I had the creepy crawlers. Were they edible? I was trying to. I couldn't remember if they were edible.
I think those ones were too. Yeah.
Yeah. How much is the Dr. Dreadful? Like 20. $20? Okay. What is this? What's in there? Did you see what's in it?
No.
Yeah, it's like a, I don't know, some sort of tent or something. Yeah.
How long did we go to the window?
The what? The dog in the window? Where?
How much is the puppy?
Oh, there it is. There it is.
He's free. You go ahead.
He's
You can have
obnoxious
him.
though.
Oh,
Okay.
You cold?
It is cold out.
It's a little chilly.
Yeah.
They're power
I don't know
thing.
what that is, but I just
How much for this?
5.
$5?
I don't know. I want that.
Maybe. Maybe. Let me see what else I can
Have you been looking at this stuff?
Is this it's for a PC or an Atari?
That one's for PC.
Yeah.
Dad?
What?
Have you been looking at this stuff?
What's that stuff?
I don't know.
Oh yeah, stickers. That's cool.
Ooh, what's this? Hey,
Got
huh?
some big boots.
Look at this.
Some insect killer.
Some
A monitor.
bubbles. A tiny thing.
Moana. Moana.
You can just have that if you want.
Cash.
Here you go, girls. Here's some bags. Might be a little easier to hold things that way.
What do you say?
Would you take 3 on the controller?
Yeah.
Okay, here.
There you go.
Thank you.
Thank you.
There you go. You're welcome.
That's all the singles I had. Do you have any? Are you trying to buy that? But you don't have any cash, or you brought your cash? Oh, good. Well, she now has change, so.
The visor, but it's not like a visor that you put over your head, but it's like literally a GPS on a screen over your head.
How much you pay for it?
One.
Nice.
She did two, so I asked for one.
Just Pink Floyd, yeah.
Are you guys cold?
I'm comfortable. I'm sad they don't have the Metallica disc. What's the quality of this? Yeah, not great.
Guys,
I'm hoping she'll take 50 cents for this.
I know, last time I gave it.
How much are you charging for your CDs?
Like 50 cents a piece.
That's what I was thinking. Same wavelength. Alright guys, hit up a couple of yard sales. No huge finds, just a lot of little bread and butter stuff. I wanted to show you real quick what I got and talk about the value of them so that you can be on the lookout for these same items. Let's check it out. Alright, so first thing I went to was this sale where they had a bunch of car stuff. These are actually the boxes for those. So these are parts for a Volkswagen. Looks like a 2004 Volkswagen. They were brand new looking to me, and he said they were new. And he said they always break on Volkswagen, so I figured they were probably a good buy. Any car part you can get for $1 is a steal. So I did look them up, found them on eBay. Someone's selling a 2-pack just like this for $49.99 free shipping. I listed mine for $44.99 free shipping. Hopefully it sells. He also had this remote starter system, brand new in the box. I looked online, there's a lot of people listing it at $40 like this, but there's a lot of solds at $29.99, $25.99, so plus shipping. So I'm going to probably list it right around, I don't know, maybe $35 free shipping or $39.99 free shipping, see if it moves. Then I got some belts. One of the belts I got was damaged. It's like a little frayed and old, so I tossed it. But these ones all look pretty solid. Belts are cool. Again, bread and butter items. You know, if they're brand new like this, they sell for 15-ish bucks, usually. So 15, 30, 45, 60. You know, my 15s table, never learned it. So 60-ish bucks from that, 40-something from that. So 100 there, 130 after shipping. So pretty good sale, 130 bucks in profit most likely. Once I sell these car parts, do be on the lookout, especially brand new stuff. It's always worth grabbing if you can get the price right. Next sale I went to had like nothing I wanted. Yeah, it's funny. I bought this because I wanted to give the lady some money. She was giving the kids a bunch of free stuff. She gave me this tape, which I thought was cool. It's used, if you actually find a new roll of this Super Mario duct tape, it goes for like 15, 16 bucks, but it's used. I probably won't sell it. I'll probably just use it to ship stuff as like a special little cool thing. Wrap the box with that. But this I bought just to give her $1, and I was like, hey, I've never looked up TurboTax. It might be worth something. Let me grab it. And I get home and I'm listing stuff. I list this. I look and I see that people are buying it for $35, even pre-owned. So I listed it for 35 bucks, and it sold in 5 minutes. So if you're ever yard selling and you see TurboTax, grab it. Especially this home and business one. It's from 2016. Like, I can't believe someone bought it. Now, you just watched the footage, so you probably realized there was a second copy there. Yes, they had a second copy there. I didn't buy it. I wish I had bought it, but I did not buy it. I could maybe try to go back there and knock on the door and see if she still has it, but that was yesterday. It's today. And I just didn't realize it was going to sell so quick. It sold instantly, 35 bucks. If you see TurboTax and you can get it for $1, grab it, because that is some free money. Went to another yard sale. It was not great. I picked this for 3 bucks. My son picked this for $1, and he outpicked me because this is only worth $9.99. This is worth $14.99. So his profit is much better than mine. Mine's probably going to go to a yard sale because I don't feel like shipping it for $9.99. So yeah, overall, with these 3 sales, this was kind of the winner. I'm going to make over $100 from this sale, the parts sale. Already made 30, 40 here, and that, make nothing, pretty much $5. So over $100, $150 almost. So it's a good day, bringing in them profits. Make sure you subscribe, hit that like button, and comment. Thanks, everyone.